welcome back to my channel. We're going to show you how to make s'mores. You need graham crackers, marshmallows, chocolate, and a grown-up.
And a fire.
And a fire. Fire safety. Don't touch the fire. Don't put your hand in the fire. Step 1. Step 2. Don't throw stuff when you're a kid. That's step 2. Now step 3. Don't throw anything in there by yourself. That's number 3. Number 4 is don't even, just don't jump. Just don't like put your shoe in the fire.
Don't put your shoe in the fire. That's kind of obvious.
Step 5 is be safe.
Yeah.
Ask your parents to do this.
Yep.
Never do it without parents.
That's right.
Okay, so first step, put your marshmallows. You need a stick. And then you find somewhere to put it and you poke a hole.
Now they're going to cook the marshmallow with the grown-up, right, Belle?
Mm-hmm.
With the grown-up, you're going to cook the marshmallow till it's golden brown, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we've brought the marshmallow back. We have the graham cracker, the piece of chocolate, and the marshmallow. Now you don't want to touch the marshmallow with your hands. Just use another graham cracker with the help of a parent. Go ahead, pull the stick out, Belle.
Yes.
All right, and now you have a yummy s'more. How's it taste, Belle?
Good.
It is yummy.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to every video. Bye!